For this month's featured app segment, we're going to take a look at how you can organize your customer and vendor records through Faveo Duplicate Check app and whether or not this offers more or less functionality than a standard duplicate check and merge customers and vendors features within Business Central. Maintaining a scrubbed contact list is essential for things like sending invoices, marketing, retargeting efforts, and a lot more. Now, some smaller organizations might not worry too much about duplicate entries because they have only one person entering in new customers and vendors. But as that business continues to grow, you'll most likely have multiple people entering this information, or these entries could even be created through an e-commerce app or CRM app. So let's start with Business Central's built-in duplicate feature and what we know about it. We know that if you go into the duplicate contacts task, Business Central will show you a list of duplicates based on the search criteria you entered through the marketing setup page. This criteria can be anything from the first 5 characters of a first name to the 5 characters of a mobile phone number. Now, a nice feature that is included within Business Central Duplicate Search, but one that I believe is not turned on by default, is the ability to search automatically for duplicates each time a contact is created or modified. That's pretty nice for standard out-of-the-box Business Central functionality, if you ask me. Okay, you found some duplicate entries, so what do you do now? Well, you may want to use Business Central's Merge Customers and Merge Vendors feature because you can merge 2 existing customer or vendor records and all their data together. You can merge things like posted invoices, credit memos, ledger entries, comments, prices, and a whole lot more. Now the question is, though, what does the Faveo Duplicate Check app offer that Business Central does not? Well, according to the Faveo Duplicate Check Microsoft App Source listing, Renegade customer accounts are checked and reunited automatically, including all ledger entries, reports, and balances through a configurable degree of matching master data for duplicate detection. So this really means that when there is a match that is considered 100% based on the criteria that you selected, Faveo will automatically merge their records together. So that means that it appears that the only difference between Business Central standard features that we talked about and this Faveo app is that the Faveo app will automatically detect duplicates and then merge them together. So, and there you have it.